And I know for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Without my mother would be so weak. To get my way I will run from her to him, and then we laugh just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left the dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be care from me. If I could stand one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love, 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 love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside her door, I hear our mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but all you said, not the only man she loved. I know it all usually, but her Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.